वेलकम टू लव गोल्स एकेडमी। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस। और आज की वीडियो बहुत मस्त होने वाली है, मेरी फेवरेट वीडियो है ये वाली। प्लीज़ सब लोग देखना। क्यों? क्योंकि आपको ये समझ में आएगा, आपको आज आज इस पूरी क्लास में, इस पूरी वीडियो में, इस पूरी पूरी वीडियो में आपको ये चीज़ समझ में आएगी कि सोचना कैसे है एक्चुअली में। सोचने समझने का काम, लाइक जो बड़े लोग थिंकर्स होते हैं ना, जो डीपली जो ऐसी चीज़ें सोचते हैं, जो ऐसी चीज़ें सोचते हैं कि -40 डिग्री पे क्या कोई जनरेटर चल सकता है क्या? मतलब कोई रोटेटिंग पार्ट ना हो, एक मशीन के अंदर, जनरेटर के अंदर कोई रोटेटिंग पार्ट ना हो, तो -40 डिग्री सेल्सियस के अंदर भी चल सकता है और कितनी भी ज़्यादा गर्मी के अंदर भी चल सकता है। तो जो ऐसी चीज़ें सोचते हो, ऐसे लोग सोचते कैसे हैं, दुनिया को देखते कैसे हैं, इनका नज़रिया क्या है दुनिया को देखने का, इतना अलग कैसे सोच रहे हैं? सोच रहे हैं कितनी चीज़ें बन रही हैं ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, ऐसी चीज़ें जो आपकी इमेजिनेशन से आपने जिनके बारे में कभी सोचा भी नहीं होगा, वैसी चीज़ों के लोग काम कर रहे हैं। तो आज हमारे प्लेटफॉर्म पे हैं मिस्टर विजय ममतानी जी। ये अभी एक ऐसे ही जनरेटर पे आर्मी के लिए, आर्मी बेस कैंप के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, जो -40 डिग्री पे काम करेगा और अराउंड 15,000 फीट की ऊंचाई पे वो होगा। सो लाइक, मतलब जो चीज़ हम इमेजिन नहीं कर सकते, ये जो जो उसके ऊपर सोच के उसके ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं, आई थिंक ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। और साथ में ही ओनर हैं officebus.com के, एक ऐसी बस जो एज ए ऑफिस, आपको ऑफिस स्पेस तक पहुंचने के लिए ऑफिस प्रोवाइड कर देगी, मतलब वो स्पेस में भी आप काम कर सकते हो। सो मुंबई में उन्होंने ये चीज़ स्टार्ट करी थी। तो उनके सारे आइडियाज़ यूनिक हैं, आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स हैं, नए हैं, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग है। तो बहुत मज़ा आएगा आपको ये पूरी क्लास और इनकी पर्सनैलिटी समझने का। सो मैं आपको बोलूँगा, आपको यही बोलूँगा, रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा कि ये वाली क्लास तो आप एटलीस्ट स्टार्टिंग से लेकर एंड तक जरूर देखना। तो चलिए सर का स्वागत करते हैं अपने प्लेटफॉर्म पे और शुरू करते हैं आज की वीडियो। थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग अस। थैंक इट्स प्लेजर फॉर अस दैट यू आर गिविंग अस टाइम, and you're so valuable time, because the person who's solving the problem, and as I talk with you, like I absorb from you that you're a person who like into your work. You are like complete in your work, and disturbing you and getting time from you, I think like is next
Uh,
to achievement, is an achievement for me also.
oh,
Okay. um, so, sir, starting from my first question, like, why you shifted your study perspective from problem solving to business like area? Why you start learning businesses? Because you have some skill, you have a mind of R&D department people, that you have. If you have some problem, okay, I can solve it. No
right.
matter the problem is how much it is big or how much it is small. But why you shifted toward the business area? Now you start learning businesses.
First of all, I must thank you for that when you firstly contacted me for the this introductory part of the webinar and this meeting. So firstly, I thank you. Not I am the busiest person of the life. So if you are
Mhm.
getting some time from me, I appreciate you that you people are actually appreciating our efforts and what we are doing, what we have done from the last 5 years or 6 years. So firstly, I thank you. And coming to the question part, like if you ask me why I have shifted from the problem statement towards the commercialization, towards the business perspective. So if I see myself, when I passed out in 2015 as an electrical engineer from an IT Bhopal, so that was a mind towards the problem solving. As an engineering mind, I have prepared during the academic year for that. So when I've created some of the projects that can solve the problem of some society, of some particularly industry. So actually industries are actually helping me to think in a different manner. If you have prepared this particularly product, if you have prepared this particularly service, can you able to give us in a different manner? So I do not have my intuition to go for the business side. But yes,
Mhm.
as a social being, as a human being, we always need some amount of like what we say as a petrol, or what we say as a some amount of money to survive in the industry. So I
Mhm.
started working in those direction because the industry as a back to back, as a one to one, as an action or reaction, what we say in the Newton's third law. If you work towards some action, there should be some reaction in that area. So
Mhm.
my focus was to problem solving the problem in that area, but I somehow get attention in the industry, attention in some of the college area, some of the webinars, some of the national exhibition. I got recognized in that area. So people who have some mind of a business, like people belongs to some business area, belongs to some business advisor, actually looking
Mhm.
for these type of a problem solver. individuals, entrepreneurship, private organizations for that. So that I come to know. I started learning in that area. Okay, while I started in 2016 towards this my startup under Make in India. So before 2015, like Narendra Modi announced for the Startup India, Make in India, we were normal people. We were going for the normal, thinking about the job only, thinking about. So I got interest in the industrial projects for that. So I started making my own projects and thinking for that. Okay, I do not want to go in that direction. Still, if you ask me where to go, it is still defined. It's still to be defined, but not to go. I am no where not to go for that. So that was clear in my mind. Okay, how the things will be forward in the upcoming 10 years or 5 years. That can I think of myself to be there. So when 2016 came January, the first time under Startup India, Make in India, and that was the same frequency actually we were working. So if an individual, if some researcher has some idea that can be portable or that can be converted into some prototype, so that was the Startup India theme. So that frequency actually I came up with. So I was working 2015 as a problem solver, and in 2016, when Government of India and Make in India perspective has changed the ecosystem of India, that allows me to think in a different manner. Okay, wow, this is what I am doing, and I wanted to do it in a different manner. So if I have an idea, and I am very lucky to be in a very observing manner of the societal problem or different problems. So I am very lucky so that I have so many ideas. So I wanted to work on that, but I need some support. I need some financial support. I need some society support. So that Make in India, Government of India started working in 2006. So that pushes me. That pushes me to work in this location, to work in this area, to be like if you are the director of the company, if you are a problem solver, so you must know about the things what are going on in the foreign area and the different perspectives. So it's a competitive world, so that we are slowly entering into that world of a competitive business and this. So the basic core of the segment is about the problem solving only. So I think I should give a statement towards the Government of India and Make in India perspective that allows me to think broadly manner. Otherwise, if you ask me why I'm not be able to go to the MTech side, PhD side, or a researcher or a different organization for that. Firstly, we all know it's a job. It's a job. Ultimately, it's a by default, it's a 9 to 5 job. So if I got interest in the R&D perspective or R&D sector, which I've already been doing from the last 5 years, so that is up to me. That is up to me. Like if I want to work 24 hours a day, for example, we are young and we have some energy to work upon some idea. So 16 hours a day, 18 hours a day, we can throw it out. But we can't be expecting some particularly organization that are allowing us to work on a 9 to 5 on a project to project basis. And secondly, it's our dream to fulfill. If I have some idea to go in a different perspective manner, it's difficult for me to adopt by the R&D organizations or private organizations, that because we need to follow their actions, because they have some vision, they have some their own vision of our own founders and different perspective. So second conflict I have observed in the industry, like I won't be able to work in a I think in a R&D manner or MTech manner or PhD. These are very much okay. I am actually working with PhD people. The employees what we have is the PhD people. The teammates what we have is the PhD people. TSP scientists we are working actually. But that allows us to focus on ourselves. That allows us to explore ourselves. Like for example, if I wanted to think, like we always have been to listening about like, songs and musics and different types of movies and science fiction movies. So if someone got this idea, so someone has to be a director of that idea, and those people have to believe in that. So somehow I have created an R&D organization by myself. So rather of working in an R&D organization, I've created an R&D organization. So I think that is a good thing for firstly for the Make in India people, also for the ecosystem of India, because by default I'm increasing the ecosystem of India. So this allows me the energy flow is very high. Energy flow towards the people, towards the innovative idea, it's very high, and it's the responsibility. For example, after 27 years, 28-year people in India, we have to go through some social norms and the marriage and the society and the security and the home and these things. So if you are bound with something, if you're bound with some organization, you have to dependent on that. And so that is the insecurity, that is the uncomfortable zone. And we always heard about the people, and we always feel in ourselves also, if you are in an uncomfortable zone, that will be a grateful to your human being as a nature that can explore in a different manner. So I think it allows me to flow in any direction. So if I bound to any organization, it actually bounds me.
Exactly. Actually, that is the concern, that it's actually you start acting like an entrepreneur because you have some ideas, you have some problem, you got the idea, you got the solution, and you then now slowly you start knowing that okay, the if I go with the R&D department, I just have to improve their product or only their products. I cannot
Exactly.
explore my mind and explore the area and explore the problems. I just have to compact myself in particular that zone. So that is, I think, a changing point of your life. But what is the start, like we want to know your story, like how you started this whole thing, how you recognize yourself that okay, I have that ability, like I can solve the unimaginable imaginable problems. Like society never thinks
Right.
about that. Okay, let's
Exactly.
build a skateboard which can slide automatically, and because that is like kids type of thinking. Okay, let's make some toy, let's make a bus which is driving automatically without any driver. So it's like a crazy imagination of a child. So how you got to know that okay, I have that talent, I have that skill in me?
No, it's actually your questions and allows me to go back 10 years or 8 years back.
Mm.
I can't believe that this I have a degree of entrepreneurship, or I have something to okay, I finally got the Harvard or Stanford University of degree, but I have my own experience of life. Most of the time in my home, in the childhood manner, also when we have some Deepavali or when we have some celebrations in the home. So if we are talking about the electricity, if we are talking about the small works in the home, so most of the time I'm the youngest one in my home. So most of the time Vijay used to call by people like, okay, Vijay ye kar dega, Vijay will be there for the people. So I
Mm.
think when I started working in the problem solving in my 8th class, in my 10th class, by solving the lighting series what we used to go for in the Deepavali, so that allows me
Mm.
to work on hands, like it's a hands experience. So when we people,
Mm.
when we see, all people are very much graduated, very much know about the theoretical knowledge, but when it comes to the practical knowledge, people are stuck. People are stuck. Where to go? Where to go? Because people are
Mm.
actually believing upon right now also for the electricians, for the mechanic, for the this thing. Because if they have studied the PhD level of mechanics also, but actually they are believing on the mechanics also to solve the problem of their vehicle and going to the garage and other people. So this is the
Exactly.
conflict I've seen. Then how is it possible if you're studying about electrical energy, if you have got a degree from
Mm.
NIT Bhopal, so you must know about the minimum practical knowledge about these things. So that
Mm.
attracts me ki, okay, I have a tag, I have a tag. So most of the time, I in myself what Vijay Mamtani is doing. Actually, Vijay is doing a role. So I used to
Mm.
write a diary when most of the people ask me, how do you want to, how do you get the interest in this thing? Like people are interested for the job, people are interested for the money, people are interested. So somehow I can answer to them like when I got the College of NIT Bhopal as an electrical engineer after cracking of IIT and AIEEE. So that
Mm.
actually pushes me, like I have a by default tag right now of electrical engineer. So Vijay Mamtani is by default have a degree after 4 years as an electrical engineer. So somehow
Mm.
an electrical engineer to play a role. So how does an electrical engineer will play a role? So if practically something will happen, so an electrical engineer will stand up and say that okay, let me try. I'm an electrical engineer. I'm doing that. So that is a role I need to define in myself. I am not about to say that okay, Vijay Mamtani has the capability of that, but I have created a capability of a role of electrical engineer through a Vijay
Mm.
Mamtani as a first front hand of the face. So I
Mm.
think and that I've observed in the people also, because people, if there are people working in a different organization, if they go to home, so they
Mm.
behave a different manner. They behave in a very different manner. We see in the movies also. People are working in a different zone, having a different expertise. Okay, they
Mm.
can do this things in a very fast manner. And if they are relaxed, if they are not working in a zone, so they are normal people. So I got to
Mm.
know that okay, they are actually playing a role. So they are
Mm.
playing a role of like how an electrical engineer works in a very efficient manner. So I started working on that. So that helps me actually to not take a burden on myself, because Vijay Mamtani is not taking a burden, but Vijay Mamtani has a degree, who is
mm,
playing a role of an electrical engineer. So I work.
mm,
It allows me to play. It allows me to play in that manner, because I have done. For example, if I failed, if I failed in some experiment for that, okay, that electrical engineer has failed, not the Vijay Mamtani. Vijay Mamtani is back to
mm,
the home. It's a normal people. So that allows me to, in a relaxing manner, to approach the things. So, and it
mm,
allows me to different experiments also with myself. So actually, I was not doing the experiment. My role and the character was doing the experiment. But that allows my intelligence to grow up, my intelligence to how to create a different mind in the segment, to create in that manner. So I observe the people, okay, how an electrical engineer works in different manners. So the gloves, insulation gloves while going to the site, and shoes and everything. So I thought, okay, right, this is the correct character role play for the, if for example, if I get the a film role of an electrical engineer, you will think about it, you will study about an electrical engineer, you will think, okay, how it will work. So that was
mm,
my initiation of a body characters, like that allows me to play a safe side play, a
mm,
calculated risk play. And if you ask me how I came up with this and how I have grew up with this, so I think my parents have already told, like, it's been 10 years I've been working in an R&D, and have got so much of recognition and working a single-handedly. So I think my parents have told me, like, you have something from the childhood, that towards the things, like,
mm,
people are playing in the playground, people are going with the a relationship or some things, and they want some busyness in their life. So you are busy in your products only. You are busy with your just tightening the nut bolt, and just opening the screw and something like. So you were busy and you were happy with that. So okay,
mm,
might be that I got something in my mind, or my parents has given to me or something. So
mm,
still it is difficult to find me. But yeah, once I got this, like, as a conscious manner, people asked me to do this, and I have done this, and people appreciated
mm,
me. So this has
mm,
happened 10 times. This has happened 20 times, 30 times. So I usually write a diary. So I have noted that, okay, on Friday also I've got the appreciation on the same thing. On the Thursday also.
mm,
So when it happens to all young people, there is a time when young people needs to decide about their future. So when I
mm,
was in second year of my college, and third year of the duration of the college, so most of the people asked about what do you want to achieve in the life after 10 years, and how you're proceeding in the life. So it was very, very good question for me. I was not aware about the questions of about the job security. I need to know about my SWOT analysis. So that diary actually helps me to write the strength, opportunity, threat, and the different what we are, weaknesses what we have. So in the strength manner, I have written where the appreciations are coming from. Okay, okay, this direction's appreciation. So in second year and third year, I can't say that my mind was very stable in the focus area. People, we are young, we see the movie, we think in a different manner. If we meet the people, if we meet a rich people by the some vehicle coming from the BMW or something, so we think in a different manner. Oh, it's very difficult to achieve a. So always there is an instability. But to write a diary again and again, again and again in the same manner. So just write your strength, just write your weakness. Okay, okay, continuously I'm getting a weakness in this direction, so I don't
mm,
think to play a role in that weakness direction. So try to
mm,
make a strength of a character. If a
mm,
character is helping you to make a strength of a, by like Friday you are getting the appreciation, after 1 month you are getting appreciation, and that appreciation is having a graph of increasing. And if you don't like that appreciation also, for example, might be it is not giving you the money, might be it is not giving you the fame, but somehow you
mm,
are getting these appreciation in any manner, just helping the
mm,
people, just going for the project, just going for the bike ride. If you have a very good bike ride, you will getting the appreciation, and you have a different mind to create in that. So
mm,
just write it, because it actually help you to justify that where you are good at it. The most of the things,
mm,
like, we are usually say that, okay, okay, we are good at it, but we can't be able to pursue that. So actually that is
mm,
passion. So that I started working on this direction, and I've started learning about the videos and motivational videos and about it, talking about the people. And I always ask about my most of the friends, like, don't you think what we need to do after 10 years or 5 years? So most of the people have said, okay, I have a GATE exam, I will get the government job, and I will. So that answer is monopoly for me. Like it's a monotonous mono thing. It's a single thinking what I have got. So I thought, okay, if I'm good at some amount, like in English, in mathematics, in engineering, so somehow if I want to take a risk, a calculated risk that can give me a next orbit of my life. So I think that bet I can play. That what we say as a chance we can take as a risk we can take it. So I think that was my first experience of myself only to okay see about yourself and not about to follow. Like mostly people ask me about the idol. Who is your idol? So I am confused. Like I have taken something from one idol, I've taken something second from the second idol, third idol. So I'm a little bit confused about who to follow about that, because people are different. The people have upbringing is different, and they have a different perspective. They have, like, some people have a long run to go. If you have a long run of a 5 years, you can say that okay, I can still survive for 5 years. I can work very hard for the 5 year, and if I get something after 5 years, I will continue. If not, I'll go back to my home and the government security. But I do not want to bound myself in a timely manner, because that allows me to work in a different zone. If you give me some time, okay, this is your free time to go. So as a human nature, you will proceed 100% for that. But if someone has to give you like, okay, you have to work 9 to 5 only, so your output will be low. It's a human nature for that. So
Exactly.
this actually come up with my mind, and I started focusing on fully on projects. So I was unstable in the second year, third year, where to go. But I started focusing like, okay, let's do a single project. What that was my mind in a third year, like to take a project about the SWOT analysis. Like I was not able with my capability to work on a self-balancing skateboard, but I took that. I took that challenge. Well, let's see if I took the challenge, if there is no failure in that, because I was in the third year, so it's a student. If somehow happened to the student, okay, it's just a project, but somehow it gives me a kick, a challenge for me. Okay, if I take a challenge, if there is a commitment for that. So I was wanted, like, if you are asking me how did you come up with this thing, like, you can do this. So actually I have taken the challenges in a very small manner. In my second year, I've done a very small project, a commitment of a 1 month. So I have seen myself, okay, and I can do, if my mind wants to focus on thing because of the character role play, so I can do that, because I have that capability. So let's increase that. So I have taken a project of a 6 months, that is rental bicycle system. I have done that. I missed my classes. I've missed my faculty vivas also. So I think because that was not a mind set up to miss that, but to achieve the target, I somehow managed the things. Okay. To achieve this target, okay, I can manage. So that mind needs to work upon it. So I used to again write the diary for that. So third year I jumped. I jumped with my capabilities. Okay, let's do this. If I able to do that or not. So that was a long period, and 11 months of my whole R&D has come up with this self-balancing skateboard. That 11 months was very difficult, because of, again, it's a risk for me. It's a non-capability area for me. Look how I can capably able to generate that particular thing. So that, but after achievement, when I was have finally done that 11 months, after 11 months, a national recognition has been given to me. So that appreciation has removed all these struggles and come up with a new image. Okay, we can do this. So that gives me the confidence. Okay, things can be calculated, taken a risk. This much amount is required. This has happened. The worst thing can happen in this area. So I have a tab, a various tabs in open in my mind. Okay, this can happen. 1 to 10 can happen, because I have seen 11 months. I have seen this. So this actually, I've learned about, and I got my confidence in myself. And in 2015, when I got confidence, okay, I can do a thing which can be calculated in manner. So I opened this officebus.in in 2015, when most of the people have graduated and going to the government side. I opened a new struggle in Mumbai. So that
Mhm.
energy, I remember 16th of June in 2015, I first came to Mumbai, and
Mhm.
that was the energy to how to create the things in that manner, and we got succeeded also. We got succeed in that manner also. But again,
Mhm.
so that energy was not the full efficient or the full capable of thing to achieve most of. When we opened Office Buzz in 2015, we were so successful in the first 3 months, 4 months, but we come to know that okay, this is a business perspective. We entered into a business segment. We entered it. So
Mhm.
people has a different perspective for the different projects. So
Mhm.
from that, I started working in a new tabs of business advisors to because to achieve the same focus. So to maintain a same focus, we need to grow in a different small manner. So that is what we allows me to. So I think in a very single line, experiments with yourself gives you the confidence. No theory, nothing will give you the final. Okay, you can achieve something, but
Mhm.
the hands-on experience on under anything. Like if you're
Mhm.
going with a PhD, you have some mentor or doing thing, but go for hands-on experience. A single statement, more of the experiments will allow you to okay, this is the way to go. So this is
Mhm.
what I have experienced in my life.
What I got from your like this whole discussion, that the main part is your diary part, because that is where where the boss is working. Because when we start thinking, we cannot think a whole picture and then remind it completely.
Correct.
Okay, I start thinking about my weakness, and I started, and suddenly I go to the to my house, and then my market, then my girlfriend, and then come back. Okay, so I think
Exactly.
the diary part is the magic part where you can start thinking about yourself inside, because that particular insight you gave in the starting, that I make differences between my character, between my role, and between myself.
Exactly.
Who am I? As
Correct.
if somebody concerned about me, then I am a person who can love to solve the problems. So that is you
Exactly.
person. As
Correct.
a engineer, that is your role.
Correct. Correct.
That is beautifully explained by you, just because of your diary part, because
Correct.
you are a thinker who's thinking on the pen paper, because that is, I
Correct.
think, the real practice to think. If you are in any condition of life or your business or anything, because I think the major if you I what my learning about this thing is particular thing is, every entrepreneur is somehow or another practice thinking on pen and paper, but the most of the job person are not doing that. That's why their life
Oh,
is so unbalanced, and their life is balanced. So
correct.
that we can so journaling part, they are missing somehow in their lives, and they're thinking, oh, they are
Correct.
trapped in the job, and they're trapped in
Correct.
15 or 16,000 salary, because they never used to think, okay, let's start thinking, if I have 16,000 salary, how can I increase my
Exactly.
salary, what are the
Exactly.
ways, how can I
Exactly.
shift my identity to another identity, what should I have to learn, because
Correct.
they are not thinking, they are actually not
Correct.
thinking. They are
Exactly.
not thinkers.
Exactly. Big
If
right.
they are if most of the time I explain in my seminars that part there you are doing in your job, that is not your thinking part, that is your training part. You are trained for
Exactly.
that particular job. Like a
Exactly.
dog, if a dog trained to go for poo poo outside the house, that
Correct.
doesn't mean dog start thinking, okay, at 5 o'clock I have to go outside and poo poo. No,
Right.
he
Correct.
trained him. After
Correct.
that, he start thinking. So that is
Correct.
a
Correct.
training, not your thinking part. So that I
Correct.
think
Correct.
maximum students or maximum entrepreneur, I think, lagging behind, if they are got some failures, and they start thinking, okay, I have to start a job, I don't know how to business, I am not the business person. That is just because of his insight, because
Exactly.
everybody can become anyone if he
Bilkul.
want to, because we can
Exactly.
we can develop any character in ourselves, as you explained middle, that we can develop any character if the character give
Exactly.
us appreciation, then we
Correct.
can we can adopt that character,
Definitely.
particular character, but it
Correct.
doesn't mean that we have to like be that character always. We
Exactly.
can come back come back to your real position, your natural position, and start.
Yeah.
But what I want to know about your diary writing, that okay, is it just problem and answers, or is it like you are explaining your whole day, and then but like what parts you are writing your diary, like graduate,
Oh wow.
like yeah,
It's yeah, it's
please.
very good question. Yeah, actually, I if you because people ask questions and we got the images like it's so I think it's not about problem solving. Actually, because that you can start in a thinking manner. It's a student mind, so you can't a student think in a different manner, but a student can't lead the company, or it's a student. So I was student
Mm.
in like 7th class, 6th class. But what happened to me, uh, somehow I love Bollywood. Like I really appreciate Bollywood, and I love Bollywood about so because of the various 90s movies and 95 and 2000 movies. So we used to see movies in homes with the parents or some. So some images of a heroic character, we all appreciate that. Okay, okay, the hero is doing that, hero is doing that, hero
Mm.
is taking care of so emotional balance and to maintain the things. So if we see the movies and in the childhood manner, if you are very engaged, if you are a very lover TV box lover, and something
Mm.
happen in your life, so you will imagine, okay, this character has done this, so I think I should do
Mm.
this, because this is the
Mm.
only way
Exactly.
because you have the input of the mind. So that
Exactly.
actually happened to me. When problems came, like for example, my mother got sick in 7th or 8th class, so there was no at the home to cook the food, or my mossy was not there or something, so there was no lady in the home to cook the food. So I have seen some movies where Anil Kapoor has done the kitchen work or something like that. So I said, okay, okay, so that needs the confidence to go into kitchen, or to make something for the people, for
Mm.
the like, because as a student, parents not allowed us to go for the gas area or something. So I used to write
Mm.
a diary to make my confidence, to build my confidence. Okay, okay. So
Mm.
I started writing, hi Vijay, I think you are okay. And if you're feeling this direction, so go with this.
Mm.
So people ask me, my elder sister asked me, what do you write something? So no, I can't able to see. Like it's very confidential for me to I'm discussing with myself only. So my
Exactly.
mother is sick. So what you should do as a student, if you are doing so, you can't be go for your mother. I need some food or something, because it's a very bad character. So it's as a good
Mm.
character. What do you want to do as a character basis? So you can at least go for cutting the vegetables. You can go for this. So started building my confidence in that area. So actually pushed me to. In the meantime, I was there in my Almira to find my diary. Actually, I got the
Mm.
diary. So,
Okay.
if you see, that is 2007 diary,
Yes, yes, yes. I can see. Yeah.
2007.
Yeah.
So, like, it's very good to like go back into these days, and I'm just trying to help you. Like, if what I tried to return in a different manner.
Actually,
So,
that is your foundation. And that I think this is the magical part which are you doing from your seventh class. And that is, I think, the magic pen and pencil you got from Shakalaka Boom Boom. Because every time you write and
correct,
every time you develop yourself again and again.
right, and something I have written. Uh, the पेपर में उनमें मैथ्स के सेक्शन खत्म कर लेंगे. This is related to the course mathematics
Yes.
and physics, and I have to do this trigonometry, parabola, or something. It's very- it's good to. I'll just take 1 more minute into this. Like if I get something to share with you, it's very good for me. Oh, something I've written in Hindi. I think May 2007, 10th of May. Uh,
Mm.
जब नींद आएगी तो फर्स्ट 12th टेक्स्ट बुक फाइंड करनी है, एंड नाइट्रोजन फैमिली याद करना है. सो आई थिंक आई थिंक आई हैव गॉट समथिंग फ्रॉम दिस स्टेटमेंट. I have heard from various motivational speakers or from the like from somewhere, because if you think in that direction, people will work in a different reactions only. So I've
Exactly.
heard about that before going to sleep, that 30 minutes, and after wake
Mm.
up, that 30 minutes is very, the mind is very sharp in the previous and the pre and post of that
Mm.
sleep. So I got that point. So I thought, okay, okay, so जो मुझे चीज नहीं आती, जो बहुत हैवी है, जो नहीं समझ में आती किस, तो वो मुझे उस 30 मिनट्स में पढ़ना है या रटना है. वो मुझे 30 मिनट्स का स्लॉट चाहिए. तो मुझे वो
Exactly.
बॉडी पे वर्क करना आ गया कि अच्छा, बॉडी भी हर बार सेम रिएक्ट नहीं करेगी. Like
Mm.
the people, the body will not react in the same manner all the time. If you have a bad
Mm.
food last night, the things will
Mm.
in a different manner in the upcoming day. So
Exactly.
these things actually, I got the pop-up from this particular line. So this
Mm.
is very good. Like I have, like if you're able to see that I've written something. So this is good to know about, like, somehow I get this, particular diary or something. It's good, yeah. It's
uh,
good.
I think that is what I got from your life, that every student should have to learn this, because
Correct.
when you start talking on pen paper with yourself, that is a
Correct.
different scenario. You are talking with a friend who know
Correct.
you like in all areas. He never
Exactly.
judge you.
Exactly.
If you judge yourself on pen or paper and you write something negative, okay, this is
Exactly.
happening negative, and
Correct.
at the same time you also tell you the positive part also, because you
Correct.
are
Correct.
the best friend of yourself. It's like
Exactly.
talking with your own soul, or talking with the god inside you. Okay, let's
Exactly.
hi god, like kaise ho,
Wow.
how are
It
you?
was, yeah.
Amazing. It's actually it is amazing. When I got first that experience, that particular journaling experience, in starting of this year. Last time I
Okay.
do journaling, I do sometime journaling, like I write something like, okay, this ho raha hai, ye ho raha hai, I this ye, matlab, most of the time I used to write about my past. I don't
Oh,
know,
okay.
journaling is all about writing about present, like what
Oh,
you have
okay.
right
Right. Right.
now, and what you
Correct.
want, and
Want,
what you
right.
learn from the past. Yeah, what you learn from the
Oh,
past. Okay,
right.
okay,
Right.
this
Right.
thing I learned, this thing I have
Correct.
to put on the pen paper. And when you start thinking on pen paper, you start living your each day, each and
Exactly.
every day.
Exactly.
You start planning your each day, your each
Right.
hour, each
Right.
activity, and that is, I think, the main part which every student will have to learn if you want critical thinking.
Correct.
If the particular skill we're talking about call was skill, that
Correct.
critical thinking we want, that critical
Correct.
thinking is come from channeling the part when you start talking
Exactly.
with yourself, when you
Correct.
start
Correct.
start questioning yourself. Okay, hi Amar, कैसे हो, कैसा रहा आज का दिन,
Exactly.
बहुत
It's very
बेकार
good to,
था.
exactly, it's very good to, and actually
Exactly.
what happened, like, some, like, when we grow and after 8th, 10th and 12th, the pressure increases every time you
Hmm.
are more into the social things. You have a different body language for that, for the industry. So somehow I losing to write the diary on day-to-day basis because of some timing, because of some
Hmm.
issue. But for example, when I remember, it is of a 3 months of a gap. I haven't written anything. So I
Hmm.
was facing some issue. I was facing failures through this office bus and how to overcome this. So I go in my mind and how to overcome this. So I have a protocols to follow. So I thought, okay,
Hmm.
why I stopped writing? Because of the last 3 months, I haven't written
Hmm.
anything. So
Hmm.
that actually focused me in a different direction, that we are so busy in the materialistic world to write on ourselves, because these materialistic world has has been made by men. So we
Hmm.
can get a happiness by a man-made thing as a temporary basis. But like, for example,
Hmm.
if you have ever imagined a terrorist or a small kid or a elder people, any person likes a mountain with a flow of a water flow in that area, a cold climatic area. Every human being likes that. Whether it's a role
Exactly.
play of a terrorist, it's a role play of an engineer, a scientist, a
Hmm.
neurologist, or a doctor, or something. Everybody likes a scenic beauty because it comes from nature. So
Exactly.
I thought, okay, we are actually trapped by man-made things. So we do
Hmm.
not actually waste a time on these things, because they actually giving us a temporary. Just like a mobile. Mobile can
Hmm.
be utilized in a different manner. You can talk about the people, yet you can talk to people to just utilize as an instrument. If you're using as
Hmm.
a happily basis, if you want to, like, if you are expecting that man-made thing give you the happiness, actually you're going in a wrong direction. So that I
Hmm.
observed that, okay, actually I'm trapped in a very materialistic world, and where you can definitely go with the instrument also. So that again create a new character in myself, how to operate this materialistic world. So
Hmm.
I need to develop some skills. Okay, if the mobile is coming in every year, there is a new brand, and the people are working and people are talking about in the various social media about these things only. So if you found me, I'm only on the Facebook because I started the Facebook. I'm not never be on Instagram, not on Twitter or anything. No post, nothing. If I get the appreciation also in the company when I started in 2016, no social media has been done by me. Most of the social media is done by various members, because I do not want people to focus on me in a different. character. So what
Hmm.
happened to me, I need to develop a new character to how to operate this materialistic world. So this has
Hmm.
happened to various big stars, Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan. They have a stable mind. They are doing the work increasingly. They are going, but they are actually happening the social. They're handling the social media, different materialistic work. So we need to develop the skill in a different manner. So I thought, okay, if I get some energy
Hmm.
or happiness I can get from the nature-based things, not the man-based thing. Because man-based things requires it's an
Hmm.
expectation. If you are in a loop of materialistic world, you will by default get the expectation from mobile happiness, laptop happiness, talking to people. So, but this is not happen. You need to go some different path direction to get the real happiness for that. So that is I somehow survive
Hmm.
in this zone. That is the minimum survivability I need to
Hmm.
focus on my mind, because if I somehow slip, it's very
Hmm.
difficult world. It's very unstable world. It's very sensitivity is very low. Like if we get to know about this thing, we can slip in a different manner, and to come back from the
Hmm.
slip, it takes time. So I
Exactly.
thought, okay, to focus on something, or to like as a financial manner or something. I think time is the one who I tried to focus from 2016 or 17, because in 2015 we have given a statement of 4 years of a college. So I do not want to
Hmm.
focus on the time, but in 2000 onwards, 2016 onwards, there is a new skill I need to develop to focus on the time. So that time I need to develop in my, like, how to manage the time, not the money, not the world, not anything. If you're able to work on the timeline basis, because we all know after 30 years what we are actually eating, the food, what we have seen from our parents, we do not have to a long life. I don't
Hmm.
think we will be able to have a long life of 100 years or 80 years. So we know we have a very small timeline to achieve something. So as a human body, if you are here in on the earth, and you are upbringing in some different manner, middle class or something, so this is actually happened on a scripted way. I used to think in that manner. This is all scripted. This is everything is scripted, because how is it possible a real atmosphere that is exactly a human being required, and some amount of the oxygen, some amount of the carbon dioxide, everything is going in a balanced manner. So it's a scripted. I used to think in a different manner. I have a different perspective as a spiritual basis also. So I've done the meditation in that area. So I got to know about these things to explore myself. It's a different chapter. So, but I have only 10 years to explore the life in a different energetic manner. Otherwise, after 35 years,
Hmm.
40 years, we always busy in a different societal zone and everything. So that 10 years, as a young people, as a middle class family, where I do not have any liability because I am the youngest one. So I have calculated this strength and sort and weakness and everything. So I come to know that, okay, I am a very open person, which have some interest to work in different area. So I think I can take a risk. So I
Hmm.
started taking the risk to make a new orbit of the life, because actually nothing has in my past, or nothing has to lose, nothing to lose. Basically, nothing to lose in my. I can lose the time, I can lose the energy, but I have some interest in the time, so I can make it from the time also. So that confidence has come
Hmm.
up with my academic projects, and like what I've done in the previous slide, and some motivation
Hmm.
through the diary side. So that actually builds up, like, because I remember most of the time like I used to write koi baat nahi, abhi nahi hoga, it will take time, okay, koi baat nahi. So I talk about myself only to build that. So this has happened.
Hmm. Exactly, exactly. Actually, that particular thing, when we start, when we are actually we are when we start thinking on that pen and paper, we start taking risk more and more, because
Exactly.
on that time we start calculating the risk. Okay, if this thing happen,
Exactly.
this could be happen. Okay, then
Correct.
if this happen, then I can do this, I can do that, I can do. But agar nahi hua, like somehow we got failed, and somehow the time is not with us, or the situation is not
Correct.
with us, we want to do something, and we start
Correct.
realizing, okay, this is not in our hand, so
Correct.
why should I put my energy in this
Exactly.
particular zone? Yeah, so I
Exactly.
just have to drag my energy. Just okay, I can listen something, some song in that time, or if I can watch some movie in that time. Like I
Correct.
decided to go tomorrow, so on a vacation, that I have to plan some vacation
Oh,
for me, because my
okay.
mind need vacation, because that is your me part. Nobody can
Right.
understand that your me part, that inner
Correct.
intuitions, inner hunches, your inner goals, that nobody
Right.
knows. Even your I think the most what you say, the most belonging person, beloved person, yeah, well wisher of your, maybe somehow slip that particular thing, because you have also an individuality which is
Correct.
want something different from everybody else, and they
Right.
don't
Right.
want to play the particular that kind of role. I want it's all inside that comes from your diary. Otherwise you cannot
Exactly.
do, I think that you cannot solve any problem if you cannot think right in a right way.
Exactly. To focus on the problem. Yeah.
Exactly. But from where I got the inspiration, I got inspiration from a lady. Like that lady is from Mumbai, and I don't
Okay.
remember her name, but I know the story that she revived a company from zero. That company is going to
Oh.
be like मतलब इतनी हालत खराब कि उनकी मशीनें तोड़ के वो लोग बेचना शुरू कर दिए थे. So that is the condition
Oh.
of the company when she took this challenge that I can do this, and with the minimum education. She's just a like normal lady, normal girl, just who stitches some cloth and for his livelihood. And she start a risk. Okay, I have, and I always used to thinking, okay, how she make that possible? How, like, कंपनी डूब चुकी है, जीरो का प्रॉफिट, कंपनी बिक रही है, दीवारें टूट चुकी हैं, हाउ इज दिस पॉसिबल? सो आई थिंक दिस इज द
Right.
मैजिक. She start
Right.
thinking,
Right.
and
Right.
you are not the person who start. It's like a trigonometry question. The
Right. Right.
complicated
Right.
questions which I have to daily, which I have to solve daily. We
Exactly.
don't have to take it as a
Correct.
burden, but as a question. Okay,
Exactly.
now we have X and Y, and we don't have the value of X and Y. So what I can do is, so
Exactly.
it's like
Exactly.
fun.
Right. Right.
It's
Right.
fun. It's fun with your life and solving questions each day. A new question, a new thinking, maybe
Exactly.
with your career, with your physical health, or with your financial. But it's like fun. It's like
Exactly.
writing your own story and telling your own story, that how you want to live your
Through a
life
character.
and you
Yeah.
live your human experience, like how I can make
Correct.
sense. Okay, sir. Maybe we can work in future with you. Like what
Oh
I
boy.
think, what I got
Oh. Okay.
hunch in my mind. So moving to
Okay.
last question, I just want to know a simple principle that you want to follow for your whole next life. That this is the principle which I never want to lose in my life, and this is the practice which I want to do in my each day. If we concluded your all life and practices in your life.
I think if you ask me about the like which principle I am very much belief upon it is the uh, is the normal two words. I think it's hard work. I'm very much believable about the hard work. I'm like if I see some employee, if I see someone to wasting energy or somewhere or some in some direction, so that actually actuates me. That actually it triggers me. Like no, this is going wrong. This is going wrong. We are wasting time. We are wasting time. So I think some clock is running, parallel clock is running in my mind. That includes the sleeping time, that includes the day-to-day activity time, but actually it is running. I can't be say that okay, oh I missed it. I never missed it. I somehow I consciously know about if I consciously wants to know about missed it, that is okay for that. But I think hard work grow in the upcoming 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. And what happened to me, because if I think in a different manner and if I have something to work upon it as a hard work basis, I actually meet through those people only. I worked with 93 years of a person. So that 93 of that person, I remember some name, Vishu Lala, and he's right now an industrialist in Mumbai. So we got some meeting and we come to know that some Vishulala is liking our product. So we have been to Mumbai last week. We entered into the room and Vishulala looks as a look wise is it's just like 55 retired person or has an industrialist mind or something.
Mhm.
As a normal talking as a person of a 55, 60 year, questionable mind, questionable thinking, how to go there. It was okay. 60-year corporate people has experience of that. That is okay. After 50 minutes of our discussion, after the whole presentation has come up, we come to know that the person is 93. So we thought, okay, how is it possible that person asking so much of questions, so much of integrity of questions, so much of into the depth. The person was not working on the phone. Person was not busy with someone. Person was actually listening us, actually listening our presentation in the. So we thought, okay, because of 55, 60 year people have experience. It was 93. So we got some energy from that area. How is it possible? And when the person stood up, he has the back pain. He got some back pain, and so he had that belt of the back pain. So he just pushes that back pain belt, slowly walk to the door. So we thought, wow, yeah, this is actually we want. Like I personally want in my life to work till the end of my life to as a focused person. So hard work that actually came. Smart work might be possible, lazy in you in some manner because of the technology, because of the electronic part. As a hard work, I think I have a very much belief in the hard work. So
Mhm.
only the hard work word I can say in a as a principal manner I want to follow in upcoming 10 years, 20 years. So that
Mhm.
we are not talking about the definition of the hard work. Actually, it depends upon one-to-one, case-to-case basis. What do you mean by the hard work? What do you have think about the hard work? So this has a different chapter for that. But as a principle basis, I do not have any idol. I'm not very much religious. I'm not very emotional also towards the people, towards the poverty, towards the low growth people, low class. So I think I have a mind which works in a different manner, and to stable that mind, that hard work is the tool I can use. So that tool of a hard work of a, like we used to say as a pana in a different industry, to open that nut bolt. So to tighten my nut bolt, I have a hard work of a tool. So that allows me to work in a very efficient manner, tight manner,
Mhm.
as a long, reliable manner. So that
Mhm.
tool, I have belief upon it, and I'm actually very hardworking. And people knows me about as a workaholic because appreciation has been given to me. So I have some belief like I can continue with my hard work. So if I lose something, I have my ability to cope up with the things. So that
Mhm.
actually makes my confidence to build into the market.
Actually, the main thing is hard working is in persistence. But then when we decide a goal, when we
Exactly,
decide
right.
a vision, then we know that I have to do this much work daily, strictly. I have to do
Correct.
this because when you analyze the situation, and I think that is a smart work with hard work. It's a combination of both.
Exactly.
It's
Yeah.
not like simply
Correct.
hard work because managing time, managing everything daily on the daily basis, your eating, your sleeping habits, and everything, your emotional health, and then do work with your whole mind, focus yourself on that particular thing. Like that is the hard work,
Correct.
not the work you are doing. That is the hard work.
Exactly.
No, the hard work is you get yourself every morning
Exactly.
and place yourself in that particular zone. Okay, I have to do
Correct.
this, I have to do this.
Yeah.
This is the
To
hard work,
make
like
your
this is the
mind.
challenge. Exactly, that is the
Yeah.
biggest challenge which I think humanity, or we can say general human, are facing today. Because again,
Correct.
the lack is in critical thinking, and the problem is nobody there in the society who teaches the student write a diary.
Exactly.
You have to write your thoughts. You have to think like this.
Exactly.
This is the pattern
Correct.
of thinking, and this is the procedure that how a person should think about his life and about the critical decisions which he is going to make in his life or her life. So I think
Correct.
that is I think
Lacking. Yeah.
today's the learning of this whole our
Exactly.
discussion is they have to, if you have want to think, then think on pen and paper, not with your
Correct. Correct.
uh, mind and
Eh,
air,
because,
because then
yeah, this
then
neurons are very fast, so it'll
exactly.
always go in a different direction.
Exactly. Thoughts
Right.
never dies, but it's left in the air and then never come back. It never
Exactly.
dies
Because
according to
yeah,
science, but
because
yeah.
we as a human beings has an input from the emotion side also. Like if we get some emotion, the thoughts will be in a different manner. So you won't be able to take a decision. So you have to write it. You
Mhm.
have to write it as a
Exactly.
strong manner. Okay, this is the case. Now see in a different manner. So
Mhm.
you can't be able to emotional manner. So we as a human being have to see various life. Like your father
Exactly.
will be going to die, your mother will be going to die, and some we will going to die. And so we have to adopt these things. So to
And
we can't
it's
be
all about, yes, it's all about like sharpening our EQ. We have
exactly.
IQ with our like with
Exactly.
our inbuilt situation, but we can
Right.
sharpen our EQ. We can decrease our EQ. We can increase our EQ. As you become more emotionally intelligent, you are start like controlling yourself, which is I think
Exactly.
most important than controlling anything else in this world.
Right.
If you control
Right.
yourself, you can eat properly, you can like you can dance properly, you can exercise properly, then you can do anything,
Exactly.
you can manage anything in your life. So I think this is the
Exactly. Right.
biggest learning I think that this is the biggest activity you are doing in your life, and that is the real
Wow.
reason of your success. And thank you for giving us that particular key, that particular which you
Thank
have,
you.
that
Thank you.
golden key in your hands, which you'd use
Thank
daily in your life. So thank you
you.
so much, sir, for having us and for giving us opportunity to ask you question. And thank you for this all these beautiful answers which you gave. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Aman. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.